Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you how you can actually get eSIM in Netherlands and what is the best way, in my opinion, how you can get a good amount of data for a good price in Netherlands. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is Maya Mobile. Maya Mobile is an eSIM provider that is going to allow you to have a good amount of data in Netherlands. So I always come here first and I check the coverage, where I want to go, and I just try to find Netherlands here. And you see the Netherlands are well covered with Maya Mobile. So that means is the network is going to be literally everywhere. Then you can have help here and check if your phone is actually compatible with the eSIM. If it is, then we can continue. Just try to find your phone here. With the link down below in the description, you're going to get also a discount from me. And now when I'm going to be with Maya Mobile and I will click search here, I'm just going to write here Netherlands. Netherlands eSIM. So here you can have option to choose between 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, or even 30 days of data. So let's say I'm going to go for 15 days and I'm going to have 10 gigabytes of data or even 20 gigabytes or even unlimited amount of data. So it's like up to you how much data you want. So I would just click here, activate now. And then you're going to choose the starting date where you want to choose the plan will start. And you're going to see that you have 10% discount from me that is going to be automatically applied for you. Then what will happen is that you're going to get a QR code to your email and you have to scan it. So you will get a QR code. I made even a full guide on how we can activate the eSIM. You will have a YouTube video down below in the description. And you're going to scan the QR code. And when you're going to purchase it and activate the eSIM, you're good to go and you can use the data in Netherlands. Super simple, super amazing. And of course, all the data that you're going to have in Netherlands, you can actually use as a hotspot. So that's a great thing too. Another way how we can do it is with the Airalo. There's like a competitor comparing to Maya Mobile. And let's check it out. Okay. Netherlands. And you're going to have option between 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte, 10 gigabyte, 20 gigabyte. So let's say that we're going to compare the 10 gigabyte plan here. I'm going to click right here. Similar networks. So the coverage is going to be great also with Airalo also. And here you're going to have validity. You're going to have 30 days. And here, let's say with the Maya Mobile, I'm going to have 30 days too. It's $13.50. And right here, it's going to be, how much? $20. So with Maya Mobile, you can have it much cheaper comparing to Airalo. And also Airalo is good company too. You can have the QR code that you have to scan and activate, and it's going to work well. But still, Maya Mobile is going to be much cheaper in this regard. And what I really like is that they got great support, money back guarantee, and thank you very much. If you have any questions, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.